What's up guys, it's your boy Frozen here, and today we are going to be putting in our ARM Motorsports Oil Catch Can. As you can see, very nice high quality catch can from ARM Motorsports. Greatly appreciate them for sending me this. And yeah, it's basically going to bolt up right here, and it's going to sit somewhere around here. We're going to try and figure out how to mock it up so that way it's not interfering too much with the with our low rain guard right here. So yeah, what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to pull off our brace here, pull that off, and also pull off our intake for a little bit more space. And then from there, it should be easy going. One little tricky part is going to be our PCV hose, our breather hose, so that might be a little bit difficult, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. As you can see, we also did change our oil cooler. You guys saw, yeah, it was a little bit of a pain, but it's in, it works, gets the job done. The other one was leaking, so yeah, let's get on cracking and start this install. So now that we got the PVC hose or the breather hose off, you can see not too much blow by, but there is still a little bit. You can definitely smell it. But right here, we took it off here, so there's a little trick. You gotta push in and spin on a flathead, and then getting that little clip down there is also a little bit difficult, but pretty easy to do. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna heat this up and take the hose out of this plastic casing here on both ends, and we're gonna apply it to our silicone hose. So I'll be right back once I do that. When you get it off, you should have two pieces looking like this. So both ends are off, and we're gonna attach that to our silicone hose. So here's our little mock-up. So we're gonna have the oil catch can sitting like that, just because I need this rain guard piece, because the GTS hose has a vent to basically sit here and nice and flush so the rain can drain down. So now we're gonna hook up our connectors to the ports and then button up everything, and then we're done. Then the car's gonna be ready for this season. It is, guys, the oil catch can all installed. So yeah, pretty easy install. Hardest part is definitely getting that bolt back in, but yeah, that's pretty much it. All right guys, so yeah, we just finished the install. We got everything buttoned up, torqued down the spec with the cross brace, carbon fiber cross brace. But yeah, we got the oil catch can nice and installed. I didn't end up putting the what do you call it, the hose clamps on the ends here because they're already kind of blocked off. I might put them there, but for now I just let them alone. It leaves a little bit of a cleaner look. But yeah, so basically now the car kind of looks sort of show ready engine bay wise. You know, it looks like it's made for some performance. Let's give this a little wipe down. But yeah, yeah, you can see I put a little arm sticker right here for a little added touch. But yeah, this is the engine bay now. Install was pretty easy. Highly recommend taking out the airbox. Definitely way easier than the N55 oil catch can, because you just take out the airbox and you have all this space right there. But it was a little bit harder to get that breather hose screw in, but overall all hooked up nice. I am gonna have to trim my rain guard here that sits right here. I was trying to make it fit right, but I'm gonna have to trim a little bit to make it fit snug. But yeah, overall installs went great. Car's gonna be ready for the summer, and can't wait to have this beast back on the road and make some more content for you guys. So you know what it is, it's your boy Frozen. We're hopping off of this. Take it easy. Peace.